Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to make money with webull. So to get started, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the guide, so I'm going to walk you through two different methods on how you can make money with webull. So I'm starting with the mobile one. So if you are on webull mobile app, open the mobile and log into your account, then tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, then tap transfer, then from there tap the deposit to fund your account, then tap the search icon to find a stock or ETFs, then from there tap on the stock, then tap trade. So tap buy and enter the numbers of shares and choose your order type, then from there tap buy again, then tap confirm to place your order, then from there monitor your investment and sell when the price goes up. Then on the other way to make other ways to make money on webull is to join the stock leading program to earn passive income. Use the referral bonus to get free stock and apply for options trading to trade contract, and this is very experienced. Some practice with paper trading before using a real money. So and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.